Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you another draw this in your style challenge. If you're an artist or you have Instagram, then you know that there is something like on Instagram draw this in your style challenge. So in this channel what people actually do is someone or some one of artist, he or she draw a thing in their style, then asks people to draw them. I mean, not ask people, he or she says to, this is a draw this in your style challenge, so if you want then you can participate it and you can draw this but in your style. You don't need to copy the same pose, same exact thing. You don't need to do that. You just need to do it, draw the same thing but in your style. Like the thing, the girl I'm drawing now, and the draw this in your challenge that I am participating is kinda same, but style and pose are different. If you just see the both pic with together, you will get to know that these both pic are different, but they look like kinda same. Like that picture doesn't have the same pose that my picture is having. That picture doesn't have those flower like this, doesn't have that pose, doesn't have that color. It was totally an illustration art, and mine is watercolor painting. So if you are a Instagram artist, then I will recommend you to participate in such challenges. It will help your artist and creativity more. If you love my channel, then if you love my video, then please do subscribe my channel. Please do share, comment and like. If you want, then you can also visit my Instagram. I have left my Instagram, I have left the link of my Instagram on my description box. You can find, if you want, then you can check out that link. On my Instagram you can find so many art of mine that I did. I do so many art like sketch, watercolor paintings, sketches like this, and also portraits painting, etc. For the skin color I used lemon yellow color and scarlet like red color. I have mixed those both color. For the skin color now I am using red color as the blush. I have put some red color on cheeks and the nose area to make it look little bit cute. Now I am applying red color to on the lips. I have removed the red color because it was spreading. I was like, it was spreading and it was a mistake. That's why I have removed that color with a tissue paper. If you have done mistakes with watercolor, then just remove it with a tissue, then it will be fine. Now I'm doing first layer of the hair with red color, scarlet lake red color. Just like this, you can use the tissue for remove the color if it's spreading on the wrong side. Then I'm drawing the dress. If you don't have enough time to watercolor, like it takes time to dry it, Then you can use your hair dryer to dry it. And just the way I use hair dryer to dry my paintings because it takes a lot of time to dry. That's why I use it to do it first, and it works. You can also use this trick to dry your painting. Now I'm using at first I used sap green. Now I'm using Viridian Who green color for the tree of the flower. Now I'm using lemon yellow color for the flower. Like this you can draw the petals. You can use any kind of brush. Here I am using little bit thin brush, slim brush for the petals because it's not a big place. That's why I'm using a slim brush for the flower petals. Now I'm using burnt sienna color. It's a brown color for the middle part of the flower. I am painting the tree again, tree and leaves. Now I am coloring the leaf. Now I am using red color like crimson, scarlet red. Use tissue paper like this to remove excess painting, excess color. Like this, draw the hair. Now I'm using a mixture. It's a purple color. I have made it with the Prussian blue color and the Scarlet Lake red color. I have mixed both of them for this color. Now I'm using burnt sienna brown color for the eyebrows, eyes, little bit on the nose. Now I'm using red gel pen to draw the lip. Now I'm using black gel pen to outline the painting. Now I'm doing the eyelashes. I feel you should always outline your drawing. If you want, then you can do it, because I feel it looks good and I can finish my painting without outlining the painting's lines. That's why I feel it's important. It makes your drawing come alive. It looks amazing. It looks amazingly good. So I feel you should start to draw the outlines too. If you don't, and just watch it out that you like it or not. Like just try it. Maybe you'll like it. I like to draw the outlines and I feel it looks good, that's why I use it. I draw it, I do this outline fact. Now I'm outlining the dress. It's almost done. Now I'm using a golden gel pen to color the pen, the choker, like the necklace and the earring. Now I'm highlighting the areas that I should highlight. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.